everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to do a quick and easy pocket page spread using bits and pieces from the Felicity Brooke kit. I'm using the digital kit today while I'm waiting for my physical kit to arrive, and I can't wait for the actual kit. There are so many beautiful things inside, but in the meantime I've got these pretty things to use. What I've done is I've already cut some of them out. No, I thought I'd leave one still intact so I show you how I organize these and print them out to use. So I just open up each thing in Photoshop, arrange them on an A4 piece of paper and print them out, and then I can just go ahead and cut them out and use them. It's so easy. So you can see there I've got 4 journaling cards. I've got some of the embellishments just at the bottom there. I just try and fit in whatever I can with the space that's left from the journaling cards. And yeah, these are the ones that I've decided that I'm going to use in my spread today. And I've got a couple of other little embellishments there as well. I probably will cut out a couple of these to use too. I absolutely love this little cloud card. It is so cute with the little coloured raindrops. I think that one is my favourite. Okay, I'll go and get organised and I'll be back in a moment to do this spread. Okay, so here I have all my journaling cards half done. I've done a little bit to each one just to save a bit of time. So this first one, I've got that beautiful rainbow stripe card, and I've got that cute little yellow heart, which is one of the embellishments in the digital kit, and the true story words that were also in the embellishments. And all I've done is stitched a border around those and also stitched down that title. So all I'm going to do to this one now is add the word today. Now I think this one was actually from the Alexis kit. It just had the yellow that went really well with this kit as well. So I've just printed that one out too, and I've got a little bit of foam tape on the back, and I'm just going to stick that just across the bottom there, and then that one will be going in that spot just there. Okay, so next I've got this journaling card. Now I did already have it printed out blank, but I decided I wanted to add the journaling to directly to the card. So I just went into Photoshop, opened up that same journaling card, used a text box to add the journaling and printed it out again. And all I've done there is a little bit of stitching, and I've got a little chipboard arrow, which is from one of the really older Felicity Jane kits. I think it was the summer kit. So again, it's yellow. I'm wanting to add more yellow to this page because I love it. And I'm just going to stick that there. I might even use my tiny attacher, put a couple of staples. Even though it's part of the card, it kind of looks like it's stapled on there now, which you can see. And then I just need to add the date to this one. So I'll grab my ink here. I've already got this date wound, so I can just add that to the bottom. Alright, and that card is done. Very quick and easy. Alright, now this beautiful cloud card, which goes really well with our little rainy walk that we did on the weekend that time. All I've done is added a row of stitching around the outside border, and I've got the little phrase here that says rainbows follow the rain. So I'm going to add that to the bottom, and I've just put a little bit of foam tape on the back of that just to raise it up a little bit, and I'm just going to stick that across the bottom there. Just like that. And now that one is done as well. You can see that there across the bottom. Alright, so I've got one more card to do, and I think all I'm going to do is add the date to this one. Now, what was that date? I have to remember. I think that was the 16th, so I'm just going to put that one there. I do have a little bit of random stitching along here as well. I just wanted to add a little bit more stitching because I had my machine out, and I'm just going to put the date next to that stitching. Alright, so that one's done there. Okay, now I do need something to add the date to this one here. So I'm thinking I might grab out another little label. I did go back in, when I printed that journaling card there with the journaling, I also opened up a couple of those little boxes, which were, you saw them on that printed thing I had before. And I just used a text box to add a little bit of text into each of those as well. So I'm thinking I might add that one to the photo there. I've got this photo of Madison that I'll just add this bit to. I'll just pull that photo out. Okay, so I'm going to put that across the top there, but I've also got this little banner piece and the yes. So I might staple those together onto the journaling card. Sorry, onto the photo I mean. I'm just trying to talk and do things at the same time. Sometimes it doesn't work too well. Alright, so staple that. Okay, so that's secured everything there, so I can pop that there. Now this one here, I have to pull this photo out. And, okay, where did I just fling that to? There it is. I'm just going to staple that one on, like so. Simple. That one there. And I think I need another little label to add the date to this one. So I do have another one of those yellow ones here printed, so I just need to find my scissors and I'll cut that one out. Okay, and then I can just stamp the date into that one and add it to the bottom of the photo there. So I think, what date was that? That was still around the 4th of February, I think. Okay, so I'll stamp that one. And now I can staple that to the bottom of that photo. Whoop, straighten it up a little bit. Alright, so there you have it. Really quick and easy, this spread, and I love the colour that those beautiful journaling cards bring to this spread as well. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how this has come together. Before I go, I just thought I'd share what sort of paper I print my journaling cards and digital kits out onto, and I use this, it's called Quill 01 board. It's the 200 GSM, so it's a nice thickness. It's not as thick as normal printer paper, but not quite as thick as cardstock. But it prints out really nicely. So I just thought I'd share that for those of you who are wondering what I use. Okay, I will go ahead and leave you with some close-up photos. Please let me know if you've got any questions. Pop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll also pop a link down below to Felicity Jane. I hope I've inspired you to go and have a little play with the digital kits. They really are so fun. And I'll be back again really soon with more to share. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.